Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope everybody's having a great week and feel a little hungry because I have something special for you in mind. Today we're going to cook the perfect pasta.
Yo!
I would never sell my body for sex.
No! What?
Spaghetti is an Italian dish, but we are going to cook it the American way. We are going to watch some recipe that failed and some recipe that worked. Should I say ciao, bambini?
Come stai? Yo, what's up? How's it going? Yo! Yo!
That was a warm welcome!
Breaking spaghetti in front of my Italian friend.
Bro, is this good for you? That's perfect, yeah. Okay.
Ooh.
No! What? You broke the spaghetti! Yes, I like it like this. Bro, it's easier
Looks
to
like
cook.
he didn't know.
It's easier to cook. Just put it slowly.
No, that's too hard. It doesn't matter. Bro, that's why I don't let you cook Italian food.
Dude,
that's
you're overreacting. It's not that big of a deal.
This is illegal in Italy. That's why.
Yeah, you don't do things like that in
Stop
Italy.
overreacting,
Even
bro.
Americans know that.
Ah, we got it!
Wow! He is a strong guy.
got it.
That's why he can break a pack of spaghetti easily.
We got it!
I would never sell my body for sex. But I just farted after eating pasta. Am I a pasta too? Fuck.
Let's make the easiest pasta dish ever. Aglio olio.
It means oil and garlic in English.
Pasta of your choice. Spaghetti. Fill up the pot, get it boiling.
This one time I bet my wife $1 million that I could build a car out of spaghetti. You should have seen her face when I drove pasta. And my car was going faster. That's impossible. Get some salt in the water.
Spit in the water? No, don't do that. Spit on your kids. I don't have any. She spat out my kids.
I'm sorry, I did that.
The water's boiling. Get the pasta in there. If you're doing spaghetti, let it fall down. Tap it a little bit. Yeah, why not?
Get yourself a pan for the garlic.
Medium heat. Let the oil get hot for a second. Stir the pasta every few minutes. Add the garlic. Not sizzling, you didn't do it right. When it's light brown, low heat. Strain, save some pasta water. Back in the pot. Add the garlic, more oil, and mix.
Buon appetito.
But first things first, let's ask Siri what she thinks about that. Hey Siri.
Uh-huh.
How to cook perfect pasta? Okay, Siri is giving me a recipe. It says, for the healthiest and tastiest way, you want to cook the pasta al dente, which means to the tooth or to the bite. If overcooked, the GI index will rise, meaning pasta that is cooked al dente is digested and absorbed slower than overcooked mushy pasta. Okay.
Job done.
That was funny, but it's actually a very good life hack. I was actually thinking about things like that, but not with the tape, but with the rubber bands. I will show that later. Siri gave me a complicated recipe, so I decided to ask Alexa instead. Alexa, how to cook perfect pasta?
Okay, for pasta, I recommend pasta with peas from Feel Good Foodie, 25 minutes to make. What would you like? Start recipe, send to phone, add to list, or hear next recipe?
I just would like to know how to boil perfect pasta.
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, place large pot on the stove and fill with 1 gallon of water per pound of pasta. Bring to rolling boil and add heaping tablespoon of salt per gallon. Follow cooking time suggestions on the box to cook al dente pasta that has a little bite. Drain in colander and toss in favorite sauce.
Thank you, Alexa. Honey can do this. Let's try that out. I decided to go with the recipe that I got out from Alexa. It seemed easier for me. Alexa said I just need to boil some water, get my pasta and boil it for 12 minutes. So ingredients and tools will be used in this recipe: a spaghetti and a tool. Looks like my water is boiling. What I'm gonna do is, water is boiling, I'm gonna add salt. Right? We need to salt it. It has to be very salty, like an ocean. Then I'm gonna get, yeah, that's like, you know, you see, like, I don't need that much. I usually make a small portion, so let's say that's all I need, right? So I figured I also need a small pot for that, so I'm gonna put it here and look what happens. See, it doesn't fit in. Now I get it, why everybody just wants to break it in half. Doesn't fit in, and I can't push it because it's gonna break. So we're just gonna wait. Two minutes later. You see, that's still not even halfway through. So I figured the time that part is gonna cook, this one is gonna stay raw. So that when it comes to my mind that I need to switch the ends and do it the other way. So that's why I was thinking about getting a rubber band, like those guys use the tape. And then, you know, just like, yeah, do it like this, like, look. Boil it, right? And then it's just gonna be easier to switch. Let's see. Whoop. Boiling, boiling, boiling. Okay, so now it's falling through. And now I'm like, okay, so how am I gonna do it? Now it's hot. So, gotta be quick. Do it like this. See? So now that part is gonna cook. And this one is already halfway through, so, you know, this way, now I can push it all down. But obviously, if I would just break it in half, that's just gonna work out easier. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
Timer for how long?
For 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
It's supposed to be 12,
Would you
but...
like to play around with world knowledge quiz?
Okay, Alexa. No, I do not want to play. Thank you. Looks like spaghetti is ready. Oh, the timer just went up. It should be ready now. Alexa, stop the timer. It came out pretty good. Let's try that. Oops. What? Ran away from me. I strongly recommend this recipe from Alexa. I would never sell my body for sex, but I just thought it after eating pasta. Does it make me a pastitute? It looks like there is so many great recipes over there that just makes it easier. Here is the next recipe from the pro.
Hey Rhoda, what should we make for dinner
she's got
today?
a dish.
Let's make an oven-baked
strange looking
spaghetti.
dish, but okay.
Okay, I could get down with that. Tell me more.
So we're gonna do uncooked spaghetti, marinara, onion, garlic, olive oil,
Yeah,
salt,
she's getting all the
pepper,
spices that you
and
usually
Italian
wear.
seasoning
For
or
spaghetti,
oregano.
Italiano.
And then cover it with water so that way it can obviously cook.
Yes, but we have
Give it
to
a
mix it
little
really
stir.
well to make sure that the spaghetti noodles
Put
don't
everything
stick
in.
together.
Looks like a soup to
And
me.
then cover it and then
Or
bake it.
rather
Yeah, and then
a
halfway
gravy.
through we'll mix it just to make sure it
Tomato
doesn't
gravy,
stick.
Spaghetti
Okay,
and
I like that
tomato.
idea. And then
Ooh,
after that, we
some
gotta add a topping. We
mozzarella.
can't just leave it like this.
Yeah.
Mozzarella cheese,
That looks
hello.
great.
Yes. Okay. I'm so for
Oh,
this.
and
then
it's already
we bake it. So
baked.
then what happens?
So it'll get nice and, like,
she's
bubbly
just
and it'll
putting
be-
this right in the middle
Yes, I like that
to
idea.
grab the
Let's
best
twirl this
piece.
spaghetti.
Oh,
And
that
get
looks
this.
good.
Oh my god.
I would
Talk
try
about
that. I want to
easy,
try that
delicious,
now.
and so
Yeah.
damn good.
Yes.
Amazing. And that was great. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you for watching. And if you like the videos, please click likes and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.